Hi, and welcome to Gems and Jewels. I wanted to make a video to show you how you could utilize ornaments in some of your designs, specifically because it's November, things are on sale, you know, we're just starting. Anyways, these mirror mosaics, these little disco balls, the top ones that you see are a string of garland, as well as the bottom is another string of garland. You see that? The cute little disco balls. And then the bigger ones are actual ornaments that I just clipped in onto the fur that I have on my fireplace. And I thought that was adorable. I've also utilized it for other projects that I'm about to show you. But you can use these all year round. The little disco balls are actually pretty hot right now. So a few months ago, I made this, what I call the Chanel wall, and everything but the ornaments, the mirror shelves, the runway picture, as well as the plaques. Everything else I made, and you can find that on my videos. I can include some of the links. But see on the shelf, I put some of the ornaments. Here, I've got the garlands with the little disco balls. And then I put some of the bigger ornaments and I just clip those on there. They sell these really cool clips. I don't know, I thought it was fun, kind of brought the project out. And then the runway picture here, you can see more of the garlands. I just draped that across. I didn't adhere it, I didn't attach it. I just draped it across the very top of the photo. And then we've got another, same as the other one that I made. And I just thought that that brought it out. And then I put 3 of the ornaments on top of the shelf there. Well, it makes it a little more interesting. I like the mirror effect. Now, 2 of the projects on here, this is one of them, I'm not going to show you how to do them, but I will provide the link because this would make too long of a video. Forgive me, I stand corrected. It'll be 3 projects that I'm not including. This is another one. I made this, this is a Christmas ornament, this bag. And that just kind of gives you an example of what you could do with that. That is a Christmas ornament, and all I did was I just cut the strings off and I decorated it. I'll show you in the video that I made this project what it looked like previous. These little shoes are actual Christmas ornaments for your tree, and I just actually tucked the string inside the shoe, and I have 2 of those here. But I thought that was cute. Now these have been really hard to find. I tried to pick up a couple more, and I got them at Hobby Lobby, as well as the bag. Actually, all the ornaments I purchased from Hobby Lobby. 50% off, by the way. But them shoes are real hard to come by. So if you see them, nab a couple. Now see, this is what that bag looked like before I decorated it and spray painted it and stuff. This one really isn't a Christmas ornament, but it's what started this whole thing. I like this. I used embellishments. I'll show you how. Okay, here's the second picture that goes with the, will work for Chanel. So again, I got these 50% off these pictures, so such a good deal, I bought them. These little golden shoes I found in the Christmas section, they are also ornaments. So I just took some hot glue and I hot glued them on top of my frame. And I thought that just gave it a little something extra to bring out the photo. So I didn't record myself gluing these on, but I went to the Dollar Tree and they have bags of pearls. So I just hot glued the pearls along the outside of the frame and thought that that brung out the pearls in the middle there. And then there's the other one with the shoes. So this is what it looks like when they're hung up. Sadly, I'm renting, and that little paw print that you see on the left-hand side there, they never painted. So yeah, that's lovely, right? Not my choice of color, but you know. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave a little clarification on some ideas on what you can do with Christmas ornaments. I don't know, I thought it was fun. Thank you very much for joining me today. If you're not subscribed, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe to my channel. Those of you that have stuck with me, thank you so very much. And I'll have some more for you real soon. You guys have a fabulous week. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.